Hello everyone. In this video we are not going to see about AutoCAD, but we are going to see how to earn using AutoCAD as a freelancer. That's a freelancing website named called Fiverr, Fiverr. You can see in the left top corner of the screen. It is a website we are recommending as we are using this for freelancing. We have used many freelancing websites, but comparing those, this looks much better than everything. For getting sign up into the Fiverr, the link is given below in the description. Please check it. Note that we are not the business partners of Fiverr or any other freelancing websites. We are just recommending it as we are doing it on it. In Fiverr, there are so much of freelancing jobs according to your talent. I'm just going to show here my withdrawals, whatever I earned through the AutoCAD in the Fiverr. Now we are going to see about the options for withdrawals. There are only two types of withdrawal available in the Fiverr. One is PayPal transfer and another is bank transfer. This website is much trustable as they are paying the Indian government as a 3% of tax directive services. During the bank transfer, the Fiverr will deduct $3 for your every transactions, and in some other countries it also deducts conversion charges that is based on the countries. I had made so much of transactions to my account. You can see here. I also made my so much of transaction to my PayPal account also. You can see clearly what are the amount I had withdrawn here. For linking the PayPal account, it requires the verification in three types. First, if you click that, you will get a verification SMS, that an OTP to the registered mobile link. Check here what I am doing. Verify by SMS, verify by call option is there. If you click verify by SMS, OTP will be generated, or verify by call, and OTP, the computer based voice, will be set to the registered number. I have entered my OTP here and I submitted. It is verified. Now I have to verify my email. Once I have clicked verify email, verification link will be generated into my email ID, and I have to go to email ID and I have to click that link to verify it is me from Fiverr. And after clicking here, it will be redirected into some other page. Here you will enter your mail ID for the verification and click I understand and agree. Now connect my PayPal account. Now it is connected. Then again a verification email ID will be, a verification link will be generated into your mail ID, that is to the PayPal, as the PayPal is trying to confirm that is you only entering the PayPal account in the user end. After clicking this link, it will automatically redirect into the Fiverr page. You can see. Here you can see a withdrawal processing notification in the top side in the orange color box. You can see here, once after you making refresh, you will get to know that the amount has been withdrawn into the PayPal account, and the notification is gone. And after one day, the amount will be automatically get credited into the bank account. I had earned the amount in from this website only using the Autolips. You have to know that AutoCAD is an drawing tool and Autolips is a program for the AutoCAD. Now I am searching the result for Autolips in the Fiverr website. It shows only 11 members are ready to the orders for the Autolips, including me. I am one of that 11 members. Now see, I am searching instead of Autolips, AutoCAD. See the result, the shocking result. There are more than 10,000 people. They are ready to take the AutoCAD orders. See, it is better to be 1 in 11 than 1 in 1000. 10,000. Sorry, 1 in 10,000. There are only 11 people, so only I am getting the order so much of easy way. You can fix the rate for your work. You have to fix how much it will be, how much the project is worth. Like you only have to fix here $40, $150, $5. The minimum starting rate is $5. You will able to provide your picture in the starting page so that you will get the orders as much as easy possible. Now I will show how much orders I have got and how much I get paid for it. You can see here how much I got: $5, $25, $30, and $50 according to the project worth. And I got, see my ratings. All three customers given me a 5-star ratings. The order placement in this website is very much easy, except the first order. Develop the skill in one unique field so that you will get the first order as much as easily. and you will get rest of them are very fastly. We have provided the link to sign up into Fiverr website below the description. Check it please. If you felt difficulty for sign up, please comment below so that we will do the next one video how to sign up into the Fiverr. Please support us. Without your support, we are nothing here. Please ensure you got everything clear. If any mistake we have done or we have to clarify anything, please comment it. Please subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you will receive the updates regarding the videos we are uploading in the future. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment please. Thank you.